Welcome home to Suite 309 at 2388 Triumph Street. On a beautiful tree-lined street in the East Village of Hastings Sunrise sits a perfect starter home at the Royal Alexandra. This lovely one-bedroom suite features a functional layout and is equipped with all the essentials, including full-size kitchen appliances, a spacious dining room, and a living room with a cozy gas fireplace. The bedroom is generously sized with plenty of closet space, and the suite includes a full-size laundry room and a massive in-suite storage. You can enjoy peekaboo views of the mountains and water from the covered balcony that's perfect for relaxing or entertaining friends and family. The Royal Alexandra is a well-run strata, and the building has had many updates, including a full rain screening and a repipe of the building. Hastings Sunrise is a fantastic neighborhood and is only steps away from great cafes, fresh markets, and shops on Hastings, and just minutes from Pandora Park, Hastings Community Center, and transit.